What is a lie you have told that has gotten so ridiculously out of hand that you've had to keep building on it and is now a part of your life? 1. I'm the kind of person that always leaves my shoes tied and just slips them on. I've been dating this girl for a couple months and then one day my shoe gets untied but I'm too lazy to tie it. It really bothers her and she insists on me tying it. I really don't want to bend over and do it for some reason. It was around the time when Liam Neeson got his shoe tied by Olivia Wilde and I was crazy jealous because I really liked Olivia Wilde since watching House. She eventually asks me, "Don't you know how to tie your shoes?" In my head I'm seeing Liam Neeson getting his shoes tied by Olivia Wilde and how badass it looks. So I say no, I never learned how, you can't tell anyone. To this day when my shoe gets untied in public she will pull me off to the side away from other people and secretly tie my shoe. For some reason it makes her happy and it's the sweetest thing ever. I can't understand how she would even tolerate a grown man who doesn't know how to tie his own shoe. I'll never be Liam Neeson cool, but I've found my Olivia Wilde.